Welcome to the Bruin tutorial on purchasing textbooks. There may be minor variances of how your screen looks with this tutorial, but the steps are the same. Please disable your internet pop-up blocker before attempting these tasks. Once logged into Bruin, click on the Resources and Forms tile. Next, click on the BU Bookstore link. Here, click on the Books tab. Select Textbooks and Courses Materials from the drop-down list. Next, select Bellevue University Classes and Programs from the Program drop-down list. Select the term from the Term drop-down list. After that, select the department from the Department drop-down list. Finally, select Course from the Course drop-down list. Select Section from the Select Your Section drop-down list. Click the Submit button. Here, select desired textbook course materials. Click Add to Cart button. If you have additional books to purchase, click Add another course, or click Go to Cart to check out. Select desired condition of the textbook or course materials. Click on Checkout button. Log in, or if you are a first-time user, register for an account. Proceed with method of payment. This concludes the Bruin video tutorial on purchasing textbooks.